If they spit at you behind your back, it means you're ahead of them.
You can easily create this type of videos on DID website. It was free, but now it is completely paid. In this video, I will tell that how you can get unlimited credits of DID AI. First of all, open Canva website and sign up with your real ID. Then open another browser. Go to History. Then clear browsing data. And clear all the history of browser. Connect the browser to VPN. I am using Browsec VPN Chrome extension. Now open DID website. Click on Start Now. And again Start.
A few moments later.
Now Studio is opened. Click on Guest and Sign Up, and now go to Previous Browser. Search for Temp Mail. Ignore this first temp mail because DID has banned it. Scroll down and open one out of them. Copy the email. Go to DD and set a password. If it doesn't work, change the email and try again. Verification link is sended. Go to temp mail website and don't click on verify. Copy the link from mail and go to VPN connected browser and paste it. Now it is signed up and it is showing 20 credits, but you cannot use them there. Go to Canva website and click on Create a new design, choose any from there. At bottom left, click on Apps. Search for DID and open it. Log in by your email and password. You can use the 20 free credits there freely without VPN and without any problem. To get more credits, repeat the process and subscribe my channel.